take you along on a rainy day in my life. On rainy mornings like this, it's too cold to get out in the field too early. It's still May here, which should be much warmer than it is, but it's Michigan, so you never know, and it's been very cold. So it is about, what time is it? It's about 8:45. I spent my morning in my office. Well, first, I'll run you through what happened. First, I got up, went downstairs and ate breakfast at about 6:40. Went upstairs to my office to drink my coffee, send some emails about my CSA to some people who had requested it. I researched what kind of organic pest control to use for the grasshopper situation that I don't want to relive from last year. And let's see, oh, I also researched how much it would cost to get some organic compost delivered to me from a town about 20 minutes away. Once I was finished with that, started packing up my lunch, getting myself ready to go, and then I texted my employee for this morning and told her that she could probably hold off for another hour because it looks like the rain isn't going to stop anytime soon. So after that, I have just been loading up the truck, and I thought, hey, most of the day in my life videos I try to make are on nice sunny days, and why don't I show you what happens when I have to work around the rain, because that is definitely a reality sometimes. So I am in the hoop house, as you can see, about to load up some stuff. I just finished loading up all of my personal items, my lunch and all my papers that have all my information I need on them for planting. And so now I'm going to load up some plants so that we can get them in the ground today. And then hopefully it'll be not rainy enough to leave and finally get to the farm. So I will take you guys along with me. But won't you just go ahead and subscribe, just click, because that helps out this channel and I really enjoy making these videos. So do me a favor and subscribe. Why don't you like it too? Just thumbs up. Anyway, done with that. Bye. Finally finished loading up the truck with all of the plants that I was going to be planting that day, went in the house and had a snack because I'd gotten really hungry, drove to the farm. Actually, I only drove partway to the farm, realized that I needed gas desperately, and then whoops, my landscape fabric apparently completely blew off of the road that I had put it on the other day, and so I had to untwist it, which, as you can see, was quite the process. I think it was flipped over 3 different times. It required a lot of jumping over the row, and a lot of looking really awkward and getting wet because it was a very rainy day. Also, my poor employee, who you can't even see, is off in the corner planting kohlrabi in the freezing cold rain by herself because I was too busy untangling this piece of landscape fabric. But I eventually got it put back in the spot where it was supposed to go and put more ground staples or whatever you want to call them in the ground so that it was actually stable and able to stay there. This one is for cucumbers, so there's nothing planted in it yet, luckily. But also, funny little thing, I forgot to put the drip irrigation underneath this, as you might have noticed. So actually the day after I filmed this, I had to go back and put the drip in underneath all those dang ground staples. Use your brain, Sydney. Come on. Anyway, these are some leeks that we planted. There's Sam, my employee, she's awesome. Planted a whole bunch of stuff, kohlrabi, leeks, like I said, and then I left the farm because it was freezing. I went to the hoop house, started some more seeds. Ooh, vermiculite. Also, sorry, I forget how to use the camera sometimes and it's on a weird angle. My bad. Then I started transplanting these ground cherries into bigger cups so that they had some more room for their roots to grow. Basically, I just grab them a few at a time out of the flat that they were growing in, stick them in a cup with some more soil, and then put them on the shelf. The reason I have to do this in small increments is because I don't have a lot of room in my hoop house, as you've probably seen. So I do them when I can, kind of take a flat out to the field and then replace that space in the hoop house with a few cups full of tomatoes or ground cherries or whatever I'm potting up to a bigger cup, and that's pretty much how it goes. If you guys liked this video, be sure to like it and subscribe for more like this. This was a really quick one, but I'll hopefully have some other really cool stuff coming soon. Bye!